One of the most valuable assets that a lawyer can have is the access to really quality, really knowledgeable experts that they can call upon to just bounce ideas off. It cannot be underestimated the value of just picking up the phone and say, hey, what do you think about this situation and how this accident happened? And to have someone with years of experience, years of really technical knowledge to tell you, no, Ben, I don't think that's plausible, or yeah, you're probably right about that, and that probably is a good theory of the case and one that's probably going to hold water and fly at the end of the day. It really is important for clients to know whether or not the lawyer has the resources and the connections or just the knowledge to be able to talk to people who are really knowledgeable in their field, who have that sort of technical experience that you just can't make up for. That all being said, I do believe it is critical to have the resources to be able to call upon those experts. But a lot of times lawyers, because they're just stretched too thin, overlook what can be the most valuable resource in a case. Lay witnesses are ones that we just tend to overlook because, quite honestly, we all get in a rush. We all have too much on our plate. And if you'll just make sure that you're talking to regular people who saw an incident happen, who know firsthand why it is that it occurred, they can make all the difference in the world. It doesn't matter how many times that you have an expert who has incredible qualifications look at an accident and say that they're sure. It's really hard to overcome a normal person who can explain in really intelligible form how it is that something happened and can talk to people about it. That usually will carry the day in a way that is more compelling than even an expert's testimony in the vast majority of cases. They can be really impressive talking to you about the technical aspects of something, but if you've got a normal person who can sit there and tell you, hey, I saw this go on, I saw what the other person did that caused the accident, it can make a huge difference. So do not overlook it, and make sure that the time is committed to knowing first who those lay witnesses are and that you reach out to them sooner rather than later. There is something about reaching out to someone right after an accident happened or an incident occurred. They know what it is that happened, and it really sort of the trauma of that event is still there, and they're much more willing to help you and to be definite in their mind about how it is that it occurred than they will be months down the road. So that can make all the difference in the world in the outcome of your case. I hope that's helpful. I hope y'all are doing well and staying safe, and I get to see you soon.